The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Traveling through Ghana did one thing. It made me appreciate my culture even more. Even so, I also knew African culture was rooted in Jamaica. But how could I experience it, if even a bit? I could only think of one place, Moortown. Then I remembered I knew a guy who wanted me to check out his place called Katawud. A place quite close to Moortown and themed in its spirit. A start on my journey to find out more on how my ancestors lived and fed themselves in the hills when they rebelled.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are so excited because we are smiling. So we are on our way to somewhere off in Ginger House. We're going to a place called Katawud. Yeah man, you said that. Katawud. So we're going that's where we're heading off to right now. And yo, let me just say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, right? Now on our trek here, it has been like the most beautiful thing. Like we've seen rivers, like, you know, small waterfalls along the way. So I'm just super excited to take on this journey. And of course, we're going to be camping out like the Maroons. So that's going to be a vibe. Anyway, I'll catch you guys once we get set up and settled. But seems like we're here.
We are here.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, so guys, as usual, we're going to get a quick little tour of this space before we set up camp and everything. And of course, you don't know, when you go to any new place, it's good to have a tour guide. So we have Shane, who's going to be showing us around. Me here, so I have like crayfish and everything there close by and things. So we hope we experience that, so that'll be our vibe. But anyway, we're going to take a whole tour of the place and then we'll make you know what's going on. Alright, so search for a spot, picked out a spot. I'm not sure if they've ever had any campus spiders yet, so we will be the first camping up here. So yeah. Right there, so? Yeah. Oh, vibes. For any camping spot, I definitely want to make sure we have like scenery to the river at all times, but to have some elevation so that we don't run into the river rising. In Jamaica now, we're getting heavy rainfall, so we just had heavy rainfall for the past 2-3 days. So I don't think the river is going to go up much higher. So we have there, Shane is going to, you know, clear it up a little bit more for us. So right there, so it's going to be another tent. Right here is going to be another tent, and we're going to be golden. We have the beautiful view over there, nice frontal view over there. I hope you guys could really feel the shade that we're getting from the sun and just the aeration from the river naturally. And yeah, that's going to be a vibe. So anyway, I'll catch you guys as soon as we have the tent set up and we're just ready to vacate. Alright, where you say the first place we're going to reach?
First place we're going to reach a Fish Dun.
Fish Dun, okay.
Yes, we don't do like juicy them.
Yeah.
We don't go around Comfort Castle and go.
Right, Trad.
Take the river,
yeah.
Trad. We get all the views and everything.
Vibes.
Straight.
That's good. We're going to hike
You know, they come on the hike.
I feel it already. We're jump over something.
Yeah.
Go up one hill, come back down. When we do that? When we doing that? When you say we're doing that?
Probably not tomorrow. Let's do the day after.
Yeah, the day after.
Yeah. Tiff is drilling the journey, but I look forward to it. But I'm going to take our word feed, say, oh, it's not going to be an easy road. Alright, so of course if you go camping, there's going to be people here, for example Shane, that's going to help you down with a bunch of stuff. Of course, because we film and cook and all that crazy stuff,
We do have a lot more to carry, so these are just some of the stuff that we are taking. Yeah, Tiffany's going that way, but for me that was the boring way. I'm gonna take you guys on a more scenic view to get across. I just really hope I don't bust my ass getting over there. So you guys can see they're using natural resources here to build up this space. It's still a work in progress. So yeah, I just like this road because you can see the river, of course. All right, and then you have all this little river bush going in. We reach the same time. All right, so, and that's how you get to your camping spot. All right. Bravo. All right, some more to go. So the tent is completed. Tiffany has also done hers. Because there's really high rainfall in the Rio Grande Valley, we definitely have to always have a tarp. I normally put on a tarp on all my tents because, yeah, no tent is waterproof as much as they might try to sell it that way. So, you know, it works out the best way. So up there's actually an outdoor kitchen. Well, yeah, I guess you can say it's an outdoor kitchen where they do some traditional styled Maroon cooking. So we're basically like in a Maroon village of some sort. So we're gonna try some of the food. They prepared some food for us, so along this video series you guys are gonna get the opportunity to check out some of that awesome stuff. So stick around for the content and you guys are gonna see everything that we do on our experiences. But I can already tell you, if this weather stands how it is in the morning, definitely gonna make some Blue Mountain coffee. You don't know, in homage of being in Portland where the Blue Mountains are. Sip, have some coffee, have a really nice shower, and yeah, just take it in every single step of the way. All right guys, so we just left the woods a while ago. All right, now we hear that the chef has a couple things on the menu today, which is crab, some jerk kebabs, and some, was it roast yam? That's going to be a vibe, you know, because I've been feeling for some yam. So I'll go check in, see exactly what he has prepared, and see how this Maroon cooking flavors actually taste. All right, so we're inside the kitchen here. Chef, what exactly do you have on the menu today for us?
Well, yes, today we have some escovitch saltfish.
All right, chef.
We have some jerk chicken kebab.
Yeah.
And we have some jerk chicken as well. Yeah, we have some potato wedges and roast yam. So that's what we have on the menu today. You know, it's a small menu today because not much people eating, but definitely we have some mouth water and jerk chicken.
Nice, nice. So the style of cooking that you use is mostly like the Maroon style?
Yes, definitely. We try to keep it mostly Maroon traditional way of cooking.
So you don't call yourself like the Maroon chef then?
Yes, definitely.
Alright, that's a vibe, that's a vibe. Alright, what dish you have today? What dish like during our stay that you have that's gonna wow us? Like you think is like the baddest thing you have?
Well, I think the jerk chicken kebab, you know, because I have a magic sauce that I put on it.
Magic sauce,
yeah,
alright.
Change the whole game, you know.
But how you feel though as a chef cooking, like, because we like cooking outdoors and things, but you feel as a chef like cooking like beside the river, or you normally do this as a youth?
Yeah, we normally do this as a youth, man. Any dead yard, any dance, anything of such, you know. From a younger age, I will be the one. Me and my father still.
Nice.
My father in charge and my second in command.
Vibes.
Tell him get whole and out tight now and then me fully command right now, you know. Yeah.
Vibe.
I brush out of the time.
Yeah, I like doing that too.
It's all the way I keep seasoning.
Vibes.
The sauce is delicious.
I have to tell you still, the color that's on this jerk chicken is to perfection, man.
Thank you very much, sir.
Perfection. Alright, want to try that magic sauce?
Yes, the sauce is excellent.
at that. Look at that. Looks so good. This is what you get whenever you come up to Katawud. I kid you not, the chef's game so far, just by the visuals, is like on point. What do you think, Kiki? You're not gonna nice enough? Alright, so we're about to dig in, and I'm gonna give you guys my, yo, I won't lie, these wedges, the crisp that he has on it, it just almost seems like it would be chicken. Oh. Oh, the special sauce? Thank you. Wow. We have some roasted yam. A superbly dry yam. That's what you want from roasted yam. There's butter on it. So far, for me, it's the wedges. The wedges have like blown me away, yo. These are by far the best wedges I've ever had in my life. I love the twist on how they make it seem like it's a crispy fried chicken. Yo, look at the crisp on this. I don't know how to do that. It's really good. These wedges are fire, bro. This is where it's at. This Maroon done jerk chicken kebab. So far, everything has been superb. What I like about this kebab, it's not just chicken breast that's on it. It's also even, you know, chicken wings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what I love?
What do you love, Steven?
It's not jerk chicken the way you expect. You don't taste like the jerk chicken that you expect. You can taste that the characteristic of the chef, like, you know, what he's trying to, you know, put into the dish. It's almost like a slight fusion of like a barbecue chicken with a jerk at the same time. Try that with the sauce. The sauce definitely has some alcohol. It's good.
I'm not a big fan of yam. It's not bad.
But the wedges,
When you make up for it.
you can tell for yourself, guys. Look at that. The sauce is just sticky. Nice. And then the best part about any experience, not only just the food, but also the accommodation. Like, look at the scenery, look at the river that's flowing, that song. It's awesome. A little bit about the place. At the moment, it's open on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but in the week, not so much. Unless you want to make any form of reservations, then you can reserve here. Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
Oh, cheers, dude. I'm not gonna lie, Tiffany make me look bad. What a machine! Yo, you know, play with your food, you know?
Then I'll sit there.
Vibes. 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 Tastes better?
Oh God. Jesus. This is so nice.
Wow. That was excellent. Super surprise. For me, I give it a 9.5 out of 10. How do you do it?
I ate. I'm really like the yam.
Yeah. Me tear up every single thing on this, so yam everybody.
You see? I thought about me.
Because you had a whole chicken breast in the tent. Overall, as I was saying to Tiffany just now, just give me a whole, I know, it's perfect, a nice balance. For myself as a camper, just being down there in the tent, and so we have some farm civility up here. It's really good. Not quite sure if they have rooms up here as yet. I know they have, the restaurant and the bar and things like that. There's also, movie showings. I believe this Friday should be a movie showing where if you want to learn more about Maroon culture, for example, Nanny of the Maroons, they actually have documentaries on that to, get yourself a lot more familiarized with, some of the rich histories that Jamaica has to offer. But yo, amazing food. Big up yourself, chef. It was freaking amazing. We're already asking what's for breakfast. You're coming for again tomorrow? Right?
Yes, definitely. For all those 4 days, yeah. I stay back just to, make you guys meet. Yeah. I live in Kingston,
Oh, really?
I'm from here.
You're from here?
Yes, so they normally work just from Friday until Sunday, so I come in like Thursday every week, and then go back over Monday, come again Thursday.
What about breakfast? What's for breakfast?
Tomorrow maybe do some cabbage and callaloo steam with some plantain, maybe banana and white apple.
Yeah.
And I think I want to do some chocolate. Real chocolate to make in a man. I don't really want to go buy at stores. We do that one.
Yo, chef. So as you guys should already be able to tell, a subscriber of mine hit me up and let me know that he was developing this place. Like I said before, he's still developing it. A couple months ago, because he's been watching the videos, he's seen the vibes that we have here on Soai Vlogs, and he was just like, yo, he would like to share this not just with myself, but anybody else that wants to check out a little bit of the Maroon history, the Maroon culture, and learn more about what made us Jamaicans the way we are today. So far, I kid you not, the presentation of the food has been really good. And the river, man, the river here is just amazing. So the river that's running through here is actually the dry river. I think it's coming from the Rio Grande as well. So it is just beautiful. Trying to catch somewhat of a sunset. Not really seeing much, but we can see the glow that's coming off of the horizon, and that in itself is just enough. I can already tell we're going to have an amazing night, camping out in those tents. And man, I hope you guys, whenever you come to Portland, check it out. Now I know some persons might want to know, how long does it take to get here from Kingston, Constant Spring area. Took somewhere around 2 hours and 40 minutes, and that is mainly because you're driving most points on very rural roads, but it's very scenic. Coming up here, you see little tributaries that meet with the river. You see some mini waterfalls, so the drive alone in itself is just an adventure. Oh man, I can't wait to experience the other days that we have up here. This is definitely going to be one of my next camping spots. Anyway, the waterway that's behind me, that is what they call the river beach. In the morning I'll show you guys that a little bit in more detail, but this is where we are going to shower tonight, and then we will head into our tent. Alright guys, so we have Tiana and Ariana. They were a part of the Moortown Kumina group, so they are going to school us, you see me, in the traditions of folk music and dance. Gonna be a vibe. They are Mr. White to create these baskets and such. So Mr. White, tell about the basket in particular.
Exactly what you want to hear.
What are the purposes, especially like this basket now?
Well, this is a hamper basket.
So that me ask you, me say to you, say if I used to normally put on donkey back in the day,
No,
I say
sir.
no. So this a basket I never ever can go up on a donkey. This a one.
No, sir.
Alright, tell me about the basket then. You say hamper basket.
Hamper basket, you take it to the market.
Okay.
Hamper, you put on donkey. Two different something.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
And each parish give the one you put on the donkey a different name.
Okay.
And they make them different too.
Okay, cool.
So the one we make a Portland different from the one we make a like Hanover, Westmoreland, Manchester. They make them different. They have different shape.
Okay.
Well, Miss Man make all of them because me mimic everybody something. Yeah, me come like Nightingale. Me mimic everybody word.
Which one but Nightingale? Alright, which one would you say like your top seller? Like which one everybody normally go after
I'm a top
first?
seller so far, you know.
Yeah.
Because me improvise everybody something.
Okay.
So it's a top seller for me because me improvise them work. So when you see it again, it look different.
Okay, so me I learn. So this one you say the market. So a nice little
It's
market
a
basket.
market basket.
Basket basket. Alright, tell me about this one. This one is the most interesting one for
Well,
me.
to be honest with you, that basket is an improvisation basket because the original thing is not that.
Okay.
So I me designed that one there because I know so the original thing stay.
So what the purpose of that one? What we can put in your
Well,
plants?
you can put anything in it. You can put flowers. You can put whatever you wish.
Okay.
That's why the basket design is such a shape.
Cool. So I had an item that a friend of mine's mother made from a basket material and it lasted. I've had it over 20 years now. Right? Lifespan of this basket. If someone to buy one from you, like how long can they take this particular basket to the
Honestly,
market?
you see the basket, yeah? The basket that make more than 5 years old, you know.
This
That one,
basket, this one?
Yeah, man.
So this one is 5 years old already.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I simply see it.
What the price point on this one?
Well, to be honest with you, the price range is an up and down story.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because that one basket that can take me 2 days to make this.
Okay.
2 days, 2 full days. Follow me?
Gotcha.
I'm coming in basket coming through. Dropping the provisions them.
Vibes.
I love it. Eh? Look here,
Nice.
nice. Put on my car. This my love.
Yeah, this piece is my favorite one, that one. So this you kind of finish it with a little bit of varnish.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was recently in Ghana and I actually saw them have fishing baskets.
Same thing.
Same thing basically. So how this one works?
I use it in case.
Just drop them in?
I use it in case Janga, which is a smaller version to crayfish.
Okay, so Janga, smaller version to crayfish.
Them smaller.
Nice.
Crayfish are the bigger one. Them.
So this is a Janga basket. Alright. So you say the material is bamboo.
No,
No,
that
this
is bamboo.
This one is bamboo.
Hook.
No, mine,
What's that called?
Hook.
Hook.
Yes, sir.
We're not firmer than this.
You know. Two of them last long if you can do them for the right season. Cause everything is done for season.
Okay.
Every craft person know that. The work we are going to do, it has to be done for season. You're going to read the material and read it for a specific season so you can have it to work right through the season. You don't just cut it and rip it and work in a work that way. And you know some people make them stuff but in the last no time.
Yeah, true.
And I see some people carrying some stuff from Japan and China and trust me, in the last no time.
Alright, so we got a chance to just see some of the Jamaican craft that's still in play. We're glad that we're able to still see stuff like these. And if you fall down to Katawud, then obviously not just only the food, not just only the ambience and the vibe, but if you want them to actually bring in craft products like these, they'll definitely do that for you and you can purchase them yourself. I don't believe we'll walk with that amount of cash because I could get a couple of them and then you guys could purchase them from my website. But yeah. Whenever you guys come here, you'll definitely have access to it.
This basket is filled with mangoes. Not common mangoes, but all jewelry.
Alright guys, so today's experience has been really good because I had no clue exactly what this place would look like, so I'm just as surprised as you guys might have been. We just got done having a night shower. If you guys have never showered in the river with the stars and the moon as your audience, definitely make sure that you try that at least once. Yes, the water was brick, it was really cold, but you don't know, cold water for the body is really refreshing, especially when you're about to hit the hay. You're gonna have a really good sleep. Well anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys love that we're doing content back out here in Jamaica, drop a like on the video, or if you just love Jamaica on a whole and camping or just out there cooking, whatever it is, drop a like on the video. I definitely appreciate it. It does help these videos to go out there and for me to know that you want to see more of these types of content. Anyway guys, I'll check you guys in the morning where hopefully we get to make some coffee and we'll see what the chef has on the menu. Remember to see things, love, nature and adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.